How to add comments in Adobe Acrobat. In today's video, we are going to quickly learn how to add comments in Adobe Acrobat. Need to give feedback on a PDF? Adobe Acrobat makes it super easy to add comments directly onto the document. Let's see how. First things first, open up any PDF that you want to edit or add a comment and go inside it. And once you're inside, you will see this type of interface. Now what you have to do is look for comment, which is over here. You can see it over here. Simply tap on it. And under comment section, you can see an option for the add a comment. Simply tap on it and that will give you this type of icon over here. For example, I want to add a comment to this mom welcome dolls. What I will do is simply select this one like this and leave a comment over here. For example, I want to leave a comment too like this. The thing over here is you can use this add button over here to mention someone in the comment, and if you don't want, simply leave it as it is and write a comment over here. For example, I want her to change the color of the text. What I can write over here is change a color of this text and tap on post. That added comment for you. And now you can see a comment over here that will show a detail of a comment on the box like this. And that's how you can add comments on Adobe Acrobat. Easy peasy, right? That's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.